How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine.
Mm, I want to speak you, sir. So I can speak you, sir. Okay. So, sir, where are you living?
I am from Navalgarh.
You're from Nalgad.
And where are
Where is
you?
your home located?
Near Suryamandal. And you are from where?
I'm from Minas. I'm from Minas.
What's your name?
My name is Mansu, and I'm from 9th class in Adia Public Senior Secondary School. It's located nearby.
And my name is Anuj Sharma. I study in Podar GP School in class 6th near Podar College.
Today, are you happy?
Yes. When I wake up, my father said, "Ready because you have to go to for giving speech." Then I ready.
But your face is looking that today are you very sad.
No, I am not sad.
Yeah, so you should keep smiling always
Okay.
because that time are you smiling that you are very cute looking. Why?
No, I am not sad today.
Yeah, why are you writing 45 in your hand? What is the reason of it?
I like
45 number.
because I my father said I will bring a white dress and you print a number, so I print 45 number.
So you are studying 6th class.
Yes.
So can you tell me about your student life?
Normally I wake up, do my daily routine, brush my teeth, take bath, go to bed. Then I go school. And my father came from taking school. And if my father is not there, my mother take me or my father said someone to pick me up. Then I come home, I do some rest. My mother said do rest, so I do rest. Then I go for playing, and when it is 4:30, I go tuition. And 7 o'clock I came, and the important topic
Which tuition are you doing nowadays?
Vinaswar near my home.
Which tuition doing you doing nowadays?
Every subject,
Hindi, which
every
subject?
subject they
Every
teach.
subject.
Main they teach math, and every subject they teach.
Do you like math?
Yes,
And English, do you like?
I like math more.
How long have you been coming here coaching?
Mm, it's 1st of December 2025. I joined the tuition. I joined late.
No, how long have you been coming here Future 40?
In 23 batch, 1 year,
So
almost 1 year.
why did you come here?
Because I have learned English and I want to learn more
So
English.
now you can speak English easily.
Yes, in school in fifth class, there is if you speak in the one word, then 5 rupees fine. Then everyone try to speak English in English, and some students don't speak English. They don't have fear that if sir will say to take money, then we will take from mother.
How many marks got in 5th class?
Percent I got 97.25.
Hmm. Have you ever visit? Do you like visiting?
Yes, I like traveling and visiting
Have you
places.
ever doing visiting and traveling?
Yes, like that I go sometimes Haridwar and mostly I go to Haridwar.
When did you go for visiting last time?
Last time in the last summer holidays, I think 1 year or 2 year before, when fifth class session starts. Then,
You won't ask me some question.
uh, which game do you like?
Sports.
Hmm.
I like badminton and cricket.
And in school, you also play cricket and badminton.
No,
You don't play.
we can't
PT,
play in
PT,
school.
PT sir don't take you.
No, we haven't PT sir.
So when there is no games period in timetable,
No.
then art, library, dance,
So my
that
school
type,
is very boring
that type free periods
because
are there. Dance, music, art.
no,
No, every
no
day 8 periods
study.
studying,
Every
and the
period in
last
study.
period, zero period, is also a period of studying.
Yes, all periods are study.
My
So our school is very boring.
my school have games also, art also, dance also, and
How many periods in your school?
eight, 7
Eight.
periods studying normal, and last period, if class Sandeep sir want to study us, then they study, and sometimes they play a science experiment video like that.
Who's your best teacher in your school?
Uh, I Sandeep sir, maths teacher.
And do you like Sunilji sir?
Yes, in
Why do you like Sunilji sir?
because they teach me when I do mistake, then they tell us do that. And in when I'm in fourth class, I think 2024 or 2023, Sunil sir teach me.
Have
And
you ever seen Taj Mahal?
after that, in fifth class, knowing spoken English teacher, now a teacher came spoken English.
You want to see Taj Mahal?
What?
You want to see Taj Mahal?
I don't understood what are you saying.
I want to see that you want to see Taj Mahal like आप ताज महल देखना चाहते हो?
Yes, I want to see. When I go to Agra sometimes for occasion, in occasion, holiday, then I go to Taj Mahal. I want to see. Have you visited any monument in India?
Yes, last time I went Jaipur.
And what you see?
Last time I went to Jaipur in zoo, and I was there. I saw a lion and two tigers, bear, deers, and many other things. So that time I am very happy because we are doing
Exploring
enjoy.
things,
Yes.
knowing about the world. And have you traveled out of India?
No,
Mm, and
I haven't traveled out of Rajasthan.
you don't have traveled out of Rajasthan
Have you traveled out of
many
Rajasthan?
times. Mostly I go to Haridwar. Sometimes I go to another place. Mostly I go
Have you
to
ever
Bhutan.
traveled out of India?
No, I don't travel.
You want to travel?
Yes, I want to explore.
Have you ever sit in aeroplane?
No, I asked my father that have you sit in airplane? Then my father said 2 times I have sit in airplane. Then I said that I will also want to sit. Then my father said when you were grow up in 8th or 10th class, then we will sit.
You have a cycle?
Yes, but it is not my size. It is now big. Have your school ever taken you on trip?
What?
Have your school taken you on a trip like
No,
not single time?
only study.
What is you don't have frustration?
But my principal sir said us that we should do trip any trip we are join.
Then I have my school is also
I don't know
taking
that
us.
my principal sir said really.
Sometimes he is joking also. And our school take us on trips. Like last time I go to Pratapgarh and I wake up at 4 o'clock. My mother said, tell me wake up. Then I wake up with excitement, take bath and go to school. And there is very cold weather, so I wear coat. And then I start 6 or 7 o'clock in sitting in bus. Then we after that in bus we do more fun, and after coming there is almost 10 or 10:30 clocks because it is very far.
Yes. And you like riding? Do you like ride?
Yes, but I don't
But you
learn.
haven't cycle.
I have, but it is now big. When 1 or 2 year after it is my proper size, then I will ride it. Do you have any cycle?
Yes, I have a cycle.
And do you have learn it cycle how to
No,
ride?
I can ride it very easily.
And bike you can ride also. You have
No, I can ride scooty.
scooty. Okay.
Yes.
Um,
So, what would you like, bike and cycle?
cycle I like. And
Which
what
is
do
your
you
dream car?
dream car? I have not think car.
Don't know about car. And bike,
And what do you want to become?
I want to become engineer, software engineer.
Before I in fourth class when Sunil sir is spoken English teacher, then they also asked me. Then I also said engineer, but now I want to become doctor.
Yes, now they ask me that, what do you want to become? And what
And
would you like, junk food and healthy food?
I like most healthy foods, pulses. Sometimes I eat junk food. In I
Which
think
type food do you like in junk food?
uh,
Like pasta, Maggi.
I don't like Maggie. I like pasta and pizza and some drinks, not cold drink that mint juice like that. And Sunil sir met me in when like marriage type, it is wedding type. Then sir asked me, Anirudh. Then I see. Then sir said, "Do you remember me?" I said, "Yes. You are Sunil sir teaching us spoken English."
Yes, yesterday is Independence Day, and your school celebrate Independence Day.
Yes, I have speech, so I go. And
Which type of speech do you
on
say?
Independence Day, I give a speech.
Yes,
And
I gave a speech.
you also yesterday.
Yes,
Only
Independence Day
three students were giving speech in my school, and your school
for student giving
four.
speech.
Because some students have shame. Like, how do we speak if we forget?
Yeah.
But I practice more and more than I remember.
Do you want to do you like mm, do you want to celebrate any function in your school?
Yes. And you watch cricket now?
Yes,
Or your favorite player?
in India,
Nah, all.
in the world.
Hmm.
Mm, I like Indian team.
And which player?
Any player is my favorite in Indian
Not a
team.
proper player.
No,
My favorite player is Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma.
That's why I have written 45. His jersey number is 45.
So you want to ask me some question?
No, I have asked.
I want to say that you want to ride bike.
Yes, if I learn, I want to ride bike because it is very fun. You where you want to go, you can go. Where you want to explore.